Hi everyone, my name is Purnima Joshi Kulkarni. Today I am discussing ncert Math Class 3, Chapter 3 Give and Take. Give and Take. I'm Kitu. This is my home. Isn't it huge? It has 100 rooms. Help me in painting some of the rooms. Start from room 2. Who is here? This is room 2. I add 10 to reach room 12. This is the room 12. And paint it. To add 10 to 2, we can go all the way to right to 10, then up to 11, and then step right to 12. This is one way to go from 2 to 12. From 2, like in snakes and ladder, you can move on like this: 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is one way moving from 2 to 12. Is there a shortcut? Of course. Follow me. We can jump one row. Jump from 2 to 12 is like taking 10 steps. 2 to 12. Directly 2 to 12. Move 10 steps more means it directly come to 12. Try any one jump from 14, that is 14 plus 10 is equal to 24. Directly here is the 14. Directly 14 to 24. 10 more added to 14, it moves to 24. Color this room. I colored with the green color. How will I go from 22 to 41? Jump from. If it is 42, directly you can jump. Here 22 to 42 I can jump. Is 22. 32, 10 more added to it. Again 10 more to get the 42. You have to add 22 plus 20. 42 you will get. You have to go to 41. One backward. Now you reached the 41. This is one way reaching the 41 from 22. How many steps did I go? It has taken 1, 2, 3. 3 steps. You could also go this way. Another way going from 22 to 41 is move from 22 to 21, then 21 to 31, 31 to 41. Again, it has taken 3 steps. Find my food. Try this on Kitu's home. Hey, I have something more interesting for you. Ma told me there are sweets to eat in some rooms. Help me find that rooms. The answer from the next page will help you find that room. Mark them with my home. 10 less than 34. 10 less than 34 is 30 minus 10 is 20. 34 minus 10 is 24. Next, 53 minus 20. Now what we have to do? 50 minus 20 is easier one. 50 minus 20 is 30. 53 minus 20 is 33. 11 more than 31. Now, if it is 10 more than 31, how much it is? 31 plus 10 is 41. 11 more than 31 is 32. One more is added to that. 11 less than 66. If 11 is subtracted from 66, you will get 55. 62 plus 13. See, 62 plus 10. How much it is? 62 plus 10 is 72. 72 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 75. Answer is 75. 23 less than 89 is difficult. It seems difficult, but it is not difficult. See, if it is 80 less 20, that means 80 minus 20 is 60. 9 minus 3 is 6. Answer is 66. 10 and 40, which is more out of these two? 40 is more. 9 added to 28 gives 28 plus 9. Split this 9 into 7 and 2. Give the 2 to 28. 28 plus 2 is 30. 30 plus 7, 37. Answer is 37. The sum of 9 and 44 is, it looks difficult, but now what you should do, split this 44 into 40 plus 4. Then 9. One more is required to make 10, this 9. So out of this 4 ones, you give 1 to 9. That becomes, split that 4 into 3 and 1. 1 give to 9, it becomes 10. 10 plus 3, 13 plus 40. 53 is the answer. Reducing 98 by 34 gives. How we should do it in your mind? Let's suppose that 90 minus 30. 90 minus 30 is 60. Now let's consider once 8 minus 4 is 4. 64 is the answer. Now 4 and 37, which is the more? 37 is more. Take 35 away from 83. We get, that means 83 minus 35. It seems difficult, but we make it easy. How? 80 minus 30 is 50. Then out of 50, that 83 minus 30 is 53. 53, again we split this 50 and 3. 50 minus 5, this 5 is remaining. 50 minus 5 is 45. 45, again 3 is remaining here. 45 plus 3 is 48. Answer is 48. You can use this table for all those sums. Next one is 47 plus is equal to 37 plus 10. Is there a shortcut to do this? Yeah, 30 plus 7, 30 plus 10, 40, 40 plus 7, 47. Now 37 plus 9. It looks difficult, but we make it easy. How? To split this 37 into 30 plus 7. Again split this 7 into 1 and 6. Give that 1 to 9. It becomes 10. 9 plus 1 is 10. Then that remaining 36 plus 10, 46. 46 is the answer. 65 minus 30. Next sum is 65 minus 30. How to do this? Let's suppose split this 65 into 60 plus 5. Then 60 minus 30 is 30. 30 plus 5, 35. Will it be easier to go to 46 plus 20 first? 46 plus 21. As he said, first you add 40 plus 20. Split this 40 plus 6 plus 20 plus 1. Now 40 plus 2 is 60. 6 plus 1 is 7. So 60 plus 7 is 67. Answer is 67. Similarly, how will you do this? 87 minus 30. Split this 80 into 87 into 80 plus 7. 80 minus 30 is 50. 7 minus 0 is 7. So add these two, 50 and 7, 57. So you get the answer 57. Now let's do this sum. 66 minus some number is equal to 11. Let's that gap number, let us consider as a 66 minus x. I give the name that unknown number as a x. 66 minus x is equal to 11. Next step, this 11 when comes to the opposite side of this equal to sign, whenever there is no sign behind any number, there will be a plus sign. It will be turned to the opposite sign. This plus sign becomes minus 11. Plus 11 becomes minus 11 when it comes opposite side of the equal to. So 66 minus 11 is 55. So here the number required here is 55. 66 minus 55 is 11. Next, 45 plus some number is equal to 99. We have to find that number. I give that unknown number as a x here. 45 plus x is equal to 99. Next step is to bring this 45 on the opposite side of the equal to. when there is a no sign between any behind any number, there will be a plus sign. When it comes on the opposite side, it becomes minus. So 99 minus 45 is equal to, now we split this 99 into 90 plus 9, 45 into 40 plus 5. So 90 minus 40 is 50, 9 minus 5 is 4. All this you have to do in your mind. Now 50 plus 4, 54 is the answer. Next, unknown number plus 26 is equal to 75. We have to find this number. Again, I'll take as a x that unknown number. X plus 26 is equal to 75. So this 26 comes on the opposite side of the equal to, it becomes negative, minus x is equal to 75 minus 26. How to do it now? Now 70 minus 20. Split this 75 and 26. 70 plus 5, 20 plus 6. 70 minus 20 is 50. 5 minus 6 is minus 1. So 50 minus 1. Again 50 minus 1 is 49. Your answer is 49. Next is unknown number minus 21 is equal to 35. We have to find that unknown number. I'll name it as a x. X minus 21 is equal to 35. What we have to do now? This 21 comes on the opposite side of the equal to side. It becomes positive. Minus becomes plus here. 35 plus 21. X equal to 35 plus 21. Now, how to add these two? 30 plus 20. 30 plus 20 is 50. 5 plus 1 is 6. 50 plus 6 is equal to 56. Answer is 56. Now, next sum is 36 plus unknown number is equal to 9. 36 plus is 36 is equal to x plus 9. Now, keep the x on the same side. Move this 9 on the opposite side. 36 minus 9 is equal to x. How to do it? 30 minus 9 is 21. Then 6 is remaining. 6 plus 21 is 27. Answer is a 27. Next is 40 plus some number is equal to 76. I'll name it as a x. 40 plus x is equal to 76. So x is equal to 76. This 40 comes on the opposite side of the equal to sign. It becomes negative, minus. 76 minus 40 I have to do now. 70 minus 40, 30. 6 minus 0, 6. So it is 30 plus 6, 36. Answer is 36. Now 98 equal to some unknown number plus 50. We have to find this unknown number. So I'll name it as a x. Okay. Now start counting from 50. After 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, we came to 98. Now we have to count in between. 50 to 60, 10, 20, 30, 40, 48. So answer is 48. So 57 minus some number is equal to 20. So it is easy to get 20. From 20 you count 20 to 30, 10, 30 to 40, 20, 40 to 50, 30 and 7. 37 is the answer. In this way also you can do 57 minus 10, 47, 47 minus 10, 37, 37 minus 10, 27, 27 minus 10, 20. You got the answer. So how many tens you reduced here? 10, 1, 10, 3 and this 7, 37. This way also you got a 37 answer. Adding a made easy. Anisha bought apples for 37 rupees and Raja brought bananas for 21 rupees. The woman selling fruit said 37 is 30 and 7, 21 is 20 and 1. So 37, 21 make 58. The first two I can do. How did she do 37 and 21 so fast? Let's come to know. How? Let us also try look at this sum. 26 plus 43. Split this 26 into 20 plus 6, 40 and 3. Then you add these 10 tens. 20 plus 40, 60. Then 6 plus 3, 9. 60 plus 9, 69. So answer is 69. Can you do it another way? Say how. 33 plus 56. It looks a bit difficult, but you split this 33 into 30 plus 3, 50 plus 6. Now you add 50 plus 30 equal to 80. Now you add 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. 80 plus 9 is equal to 89 is your answer. See if you can do the same with these sums. 37 plus 22. 30, you split this 37 into 30 and 7 and 22 into 20 and 2. Now you add 20 plus 30 is 50. Now you add these two, 7 and 2 add, you get 9. 50 plus 9, 59 is your answer. 73 plus 27. Split this 70 into 70 plus 3 and 20 into 20 plus 4. Now you add these two tens. 70 plus 20 is 90. Then add 3 plus 4 is 7. So 90 plus 7 is 97 is your answer. Mango chili game. Roll a pair of dice. Two dice you will have to take. Make gudu gudu and roll it on the floor and move by adding the numbers that come on the top of both the dices. You play in the Ludo, no? In like this only we have to play with the dices. Keep the different colored button for each player. If you reach a mango, you go forward. Plus, if you step on chili, you go back. Minus, see who reaches back home first. Like this. It is like a snakes and ladder game you played. 56 plus 21. How to add it in your mind? So split this 56 into 50 plus 6, 21 into 20 plus 1. Now you add 50 and 20, you get 70. 6 plus 1 is 7. So is a writing error, typing error. 70 plus 7 is 77. Another way of adding is 56 plus 21. Well, 56 plus 20, you get 56 plus 1, get 57. Plus 20, 77. I can do it this way also. Now work out these steps in your mind. 33 plus 42. 33, 30 plus 40, 70. 3 plus 2, 5. 75 is the answer. 19 plus 61. How to do it? 60 plus 10, 70. 9 plus 1 is 10. 70 plus 10, 80. Next, 48 plus 42. 40 plus 40, 80. 8 plus 2, 10. 80 plus 10 is 90. 33 plus 27. 30 plus 20, 50. 7 plus 3, 10. 50 plus 10, 60. 60 plus 30, 90. 4 plus 3, 7. Answer is 97. 53 plus 64. 50 plus 60 is 110 because 5 plus 6, 5 plus 5 is 10. 5 plus 6 is 11. 50 plus 60 is 110. So 110 plus 4 plus 3 is 7. 117 is the answer. 55 plus 25. 50 plus 20 is 70. 5 plus 5 is 10. 70 plus 10 is 80. Next, 67 plus 25. 67, split that into 60 and 7. 60 plus 20 is 60 plus 20 is 80. 7 plus 5. Split this 5 into 3 and 2. Give 3 to 7 to make 10. It becomes 10 and remaining 2, 12 becomes, then 80 plus 12 is 92. 72 plus 56. 70 plus 5. Split this. Let's do 5 plus 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. Remaining 2, 12 it becomes. That means 70 plus 50 is 120. 6 plus 2 is 8. 128 is the answer. Let me tell you a story. One day, a baby lion lost his way in the jungle. He started crying and called out for his mother. An old deer took a pity on him. He took him to his place, but the other deer get really scared. So did their other friends, rabbits, squirrel, and birds. All the other animals are very scared because it's a lion, it may eat them. A lion among us, oh no, he will eat up our babies. The old deer said, don't worry, I will warn him about this. In the morning, baby lion thanked everyone and started to leave. But rabbit said, wait, he can't go like this. Let us count to see if he has done any mischief. We should be 240 in all. Let's count. Kilu counted rabbits and deer. There are 27 rabbits, 48 deers. Old deer counted birds and squirrels. There are 124 birds and 38 squirrels. We have to add all these to get the answer to verify. Now, number of deers is 48. Split this 4 tens and 8 ones. 27. 2 tens, 7 ones. Then we add these two. 8 plus 7 once is a 7 plus 7 is a 14, 7 plus 8 is 15. So 4 plus 2, 6, 1, 7. Answer is 75. Now putting together all tens and ones, we get total number of the deers and rabbits, we get 75. Similarly, we add the number of the birds and the number of the squirrels. 124 and 38. Add these two. 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4, split this 4 into 2 and 2, give 2 to it, make 10, 10 plus 2, 12. 12 is written like this. Now 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 1 plus 0 is 1, 162. Altogether, birds and squirrels were 162, deer and rabbits were 75. Now we add these two. Number of the birds and rabbits, 162. Number of deer and rabbits, 75. Now, how to add this? 60 plus 70 is 130. 60 plus 60 is 120. 60 plus 70 is 130. 130 plus 100 is 230. 230 plus 7, 237. 137. But should verify 240. There should be in total 240 in the number. It is here. They all the animals all together should be 240. How much number we got finally? 240 we should get. We got 237. 3 animals were missing. So lion ate 3 animals. How many bulbs? In a factory made 270 bulbs on the first day. On second day it made 123 bulbs. How many bulbs did the factory make altogether? First day 270 bulbs, second day 123 bulbs. Add these two. Is the sum more than 350 or less than 350? I think 270 plus 100 is 370, 370 plus 20, 390, 393. It is more than 350. 393, it is more than 350. Now shopkeeper Rafi had 153 candles. The Paras gave him 273 more candles. How many candles does Rafi have now? Add these two, 237 and 153. Now we add 200 plus 100, 300. 30 plus 50, 80. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 is added to 80, 90. 390 is the answer. The train compartment is carrying 132 people and another compartment is carrying 129 people. In all, how many people are there in both the compartments? Now add these two. 132 plus 129, 100 and 100, it gives 200. Then 30 plus 20, it gives 50. Then add once 2 plus 9 is 11. 50 plus 11 is 61. 61 plus 200, 261 is answer. Shanu found 138 pebbles. Karim found 44 pebbles. How many pebbles did they find in all together? Now 8 plus 4 is 12. Then 30 plus 40 is 70 plus 12 is 82. Then plus 100 is 182 is the answer. A teacher kept a record of the fruits students like. This is what she found in the class. Girls liked oranges of 136, 240 mangoes. Boys liked 128 oranges and mangoes. Number of the boys 243. How many students in the school like oranges? Now we find total it 136 plus 128. Here this 136 into 134 plus 2. So give 128 plus 2 is 130. 138 plus 134 is 264 is your answer. Next, add these two. 240 plus 243. I will do that. 200 plus 200, 400. Then add 40 plus 40, 80. 0 plus 3 is 3. Then 483 is your answer. Next, add these to 136 plus 240. First add 100 plus 200, that is 300. Then 30 plus 40, that is 70. 6 plus 0 is 6, that is 376 is your answer. Next 128 plus 243. Add these two. 128 plus 243, 100. 100 plus 200, 300. 20 plus 40, 60. 8 plus 3 is 11. Add these to 60 plus 11. 60 plus 10 is 70. 70 plus 1, 71. 300 plus 71, 371. Then, if you add these two, you get the number. Add these two also, you should get same number because you get total number of the girls and boys in the class. Now, add these two. 300 plus 300, 600. 70 plus 70. 7 plus 7 is 14. 70 plus 70 is 140. 6 plus 1 is 7. So you get 600 plus 100, 747. Another way, you add these two also, you get the same answer. Let's check. See, 200 plus 400 is 600. Then 60 plus 80, you get 140. 80 plus 20 is 100, remaining 40, 140. 4 plus 3 is 7. So it is 600 plus 100 is 700. 747. Answer, you got the same answer. Point, how many students in the school like oranges? 1. Now, this total number of boys and girls. How many students in the school like oranges? Number of students means both boys and girls together. 264 is the answer. How many students in the school like mangoes? See here, mangoes. Boys and girls together 483. Then all together, how many students are there in the school? This all together 747, sorry, 747 total number of students there in the school. Is number of the girls more than 350 or less than 350? Total number of the girls. Add these number of oranges and mangoes, you get 376. It is more than 350. More. Let's add these two. 20 plus 10 is 30. 30 plus 1, 31. Now 9 minus 13. Put this 13 into 10 and 3. 10 minus 9 is 1, remaining 3. Minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 is the answer. 3 plus 16. 10 and 6. 6 plus 3 is a 9. 10 plus 9 is 19. 5 minus 10 is minus 5. Next, 345 plus 52. 300 plus 40 plus 50 is 40 plus 50. Then 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. 40 plus 50 is 90. 397 is your answer. And 492 plus 29. Here 400 plus 90 plus 20 is 90 plus 10 is 100. 100 plus 10 is 110. 9 plus 2 is 11. Now we add this. 400 plus 100 is 500. 510 plus 11 is 921. Sorry, 521 is your answer. Next, let's take this one. 245 plus 93. 200 200, then 40 plus 90 is, split this, 40 into 30 and 10, give 10 to 90, it makes 100, 130. 5 plus 3 equal to 8. 200 plus 100, 338. Next, 643 plus 345. 600 plus 300, you get 900. Next, 40 plus 40, you get 80. Last, 3 plus 5 is 8. You get 988. Your answer. 750 plus 290. 700 plus 200, 900. 50 plus 10, 60. 9 plus 0 plus 9 is 9. So 969 is your answer. Let's solve these sums. 319 plus 223. 300 plus 300, 600. 10 plus 20, 30. 9 plus 3. Split this 3 into 2 and 1. Give 1 to 9, it becomes 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. Answer is 12. Now 630. 30 plus 10, 40. 642 is your answer. Next, 304 plus 406. 300 plus 400 is 700. 4 plus 6 is 10. 710 is your answer. Next, 363 plus 456. 300 plus 400 is 700. Plus 3 plus 4 is 7. 760 plus 50. 50 plus 50 is 100. 50 plus 60 is 110. Then 6 plus 3 is 9. So you get 700 plus 100, 800, 810 plus 9, 819 is your answer. 427 and 248. 400 plus 200, 600. 20 plus 40 is 60. Then 8 plus 7, 7 plus 7 is 14. 7 plus 8 is 15. Now 660 plus 10, 70, 675. is your answer. 684 plus 230. 600 plus 200 is 800. 80 plus 30 is 80 plus 20 is 100. 100 plus 10 is 110. Next, 4 plus 2 is 6. Now 800 plus 100 is 900. 910 plus 6 is 916 is your answer. Now let's solve this puzzle. Addition is my best friend. Addition and subtraction are opposite to each other, but always it's a solution of this puzzle is subtraction. Addition's best friend is a subtraction. We never have a fight. Where there is addition, there is no subtraction. They are opposites. Therefore, they never fight. Where there is addition, there is no subtraction. When subtraction is done, when you do the subtraction sum, call out to him and check if I am right. Whether subtraction sum is right, you have to cross check it. You have to do addition. So puzzle answer of this puzzle is subtraction. Mind bus game. Two friends play this game. While coming to the school, when you are coming in bus, to look at the bus, some people come in and some leave. If it is a public transport, not school bus. School bus, everybody come in and everybody drop at the school. If you are coming by public bus, BMTC bus, then some people come in and leave at the every stop. How many are there in all? You should solve this in your mind. Discuss your answer. Friend who gets the right answer wins some points. Let's list down your points and add to find who wins the most. It is a game. While coming to the school, you can play this game. Work out 4 different ways to write the numbers. If you add all the numbers in the first box, you will always get 59. 50 plus 9, 59. 39 plus 29. 30 plus 20, 50. 50 plus 9, 59. 19 plus 40. 40 plus 10, 50. 50 plus 9, 59. 59 plus 0 is 59 again. Like this, we have to solve this. One is given 30 plus something. 70 plus 8, 78. 68 plus 10. 60 plus 10, 70. 70 plus 8, 78. 30 plus 48. 30 plus 40 is 70. 70 plus 8, 78. 74 plus 4. 4 plus 4, 8. Plus 70, it is 78. Now 83. 80 plus 3, 83. 40 plus 40, 80. 80 plus 3, 83. 50 plus 30, 80. 80 plus 3, 83. 62 plus 21. 60 plus 20, 80. 2 plus 1 is 3, 83. 90 plus 9, 99. 60 plus 30, 90. Plus 9 is 99. 40 plus 50, 90. Plus 9, 99. 35 plus 64. 30 plus 60 is 90. 5 plus 4 is 9, 99. 102. 100 plus 2 is 102. 40 plus 60 is 100. 100 plus 2, 102. 31 plus 71. 70 plus 30 is 100. 100. 1 plus 1 is 202. 52 plus 50. 50 plus 50 is 100. Plus 2 is 102. Last one is 168. 160 plus 8, 168. 90 plus 70. 90 plus 70. Split this 70 into 10 plus 60. Give 10 to 90, it becomes 100. 100 plus 60 is 160 plus 8 is 168. 100 plus 68 is 168. 88 plus 80. 8 plus 8 is a 16. 80 plus 80 is 160. Plus 8 is 168. Can you solve this puzzle? Write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in circle so that the sum of the numbers on the each side of the figure is 12. Add these 3, it should be 12. Add these 3, should be 12. Add these 3, should be 12. Like this, you have to write the number. That is 2 plus 3 plus 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Next, 7 plus 4. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 1. Split this 4 into 3 and 1. 3 plus 7 is 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 11 plus 1, 12. Next, 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. This puzzle is solved. Find Mithu's bag. Do all the sums mentally. 75 plus 20 is 95. 90 plus 60. Split this 60 into 10 and 50. Give this 10 to 90. 90 plus 10 is 100. 150. 25 plus 30 plus 3. First add 20 and 30, you get 50. 5 plus 3 is 8. Answer is 58. 9 plus 40 plus 31. 40 plus 30 is 70. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 70 is 80 is your answer. 500 plus 200. 5 plus 2 is 7. 50 plus 20 is 70. 500 plus 200 is 700. Like this, you have to add 700. 400 plus 300 is 700. Plus 50, that is 750 is your answer. Find Mithu's bag and check your answer. Draw the line through the numbers which are answers written in the boxes above. They mark these. You got 95 to 150. Then 58. Where is 58? Here it is. Mark it. Then 58 to 80. You should know 80 is here. Move like this. Then 80 to 700. 700 is here. Move to 700. Mark like this. 700 to 750. You move here. Next, you have to solve this and mark like that. 670 plus 120. 600 plus 100 is 700. 70 plus 20 is 90. So answer is 790. 300 plus 200 is 500. 80 plus 10 is 90. So total 590 is our answer. 200 plus 600 is 800. 800 plus 50. 50 plus 5, 55. 855 is your answer. Next, 128 plus 600. 600 plus 100 is 700. 28 plus 0 is 28. 728. 150 plus 69. 100. 50 plus 50 is 100. 50 plus 60 is 110. 110 plus 9. 100 plus 100. 210 plus 9. 19. 219 is your answer. 37 plus 46 plus 3. 30 plus 40 is 70. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. So 70 plus 10, 80. 86 is your answer. Now half is solved in the previous slide. Now we have stopped at 790. Then 590 is here. Then 590 to 855 is here. Mark it. 728. Then 219. Then last one is 86. This is the path of moving in the room. Card game. One day, Bubbly and Gopo were playing. Bubbly gave 3 number cards to Gopu. He arranged the cards in 2 ways. Can you arrange these cards other than these 2 ways? 150 minus 120 is equal to 30. Another way arranged, 150 minus 30 is equal to 120. Bubbly arranged them in this way. 120 plus 30 equal to 150. 30 plus 120 vice versa is also same answer, gives 150. Isn't it interesting? You can also play it. Here are the cards for you. Work out the combination. Place the cards in the right boxes. 50, 70, 20 are there. Now 50 plus 20 equal to 70. Vice versa, 20 plus 50 is equal to 70 you'll get. Using minus sign, arrange these cards like this. 70 minus 20 is 50. 70 minus 50 is 20. Next is 30, 42, 12 is there. By adding 30 and 12, you get 42. By adding 12 plus 30, you get 42. Same. Here, 42 minus 12 is 30. 42 minus 30 is 12. End of this chapter. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel for